Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Decoded. My name is Sanchit Rodeja. I'm working as Technical Architect SD4 at Adobe, and here I present day 9th of July Leetcode Challenge. The problem that we have in today is Jump Game 6. It's a medium level question on Leetcode. However, I don't feel the same. So does the subscribers of Coding Decoded. Why I am saying this? Because we have already solved this problem in the month of June 2021. The like says it all, the comment says it all, and if you will go through this video, then you'll get to know that the problem is based on the concept of priority queues or heaps. That means greedy algorithm. And I have clearly explained the approach by a test case iteration, and I'm pretty sure once you will go through this video till the end, the entire concept will be crystal clear to all of you, as you can see from the comments as well. And if in case you're interested in more problems of priority queues, then Coding Decoded SD preparation sheet comes to rescue. So if you go and check out Coding Decoded SD revision sheet, here you will find a topic for priority queues. So let me just open the sheet for all of you. And here in the first example, I have talked about the generic template that gets applied onto all the priority queues questions. So what you need to do, you need to understand this basic template first, and then you should be trying out more questions from this list. And all those who have been marked with the double asterisk sign signifies that they are most important from the interview's perspective. So over to you guys. I'm attaching these links in the description below. Do check them out. And today I'll be creating another video with Abhishek Jain. He was one of the early subscribers of Coding Decoded who got through Morgan Stanley, and we have recorded that vlog long time back. Today we will be reviewing resumes that were shared on the Telegram group of Coding Decoded, and I have cherry picked few resumes out there, and we will be presenting the template as well, where we'll be showing the best resume possible for college grads. So stay tuned, I'll give you more updates very soon. Do join the Telegram group if you have any doubts or suggestions for me. Thank you.